Hey friends! I finally got my laptop back, and so I am gonna go ahead and upload the video that made my laptop crash in the first place, because I did spend a lot of time on it and I'm happy that it was still saved on the computer. So in this video, at the end of this video, I have a promo code that you can use on my website for 10% off your entire order. And I'll have the sale going on until the 23rd of this month, up until the 23rd of July. You'll get 10% off your entire order with the code at checkout. So I hope you enjoy the video. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Where's Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from inside of my bathroom because it is time to change up this do. My birthday is in a few days and I want like some mermaid, I don't know, unicorn hair. So I have this hair dye, like this temporary wax hair dye I'm gonna use, and also like some pretty crystals and jewels and stuff I want to put in my hair. So let me go ahead and get to it. Y'all know what it's like to shampoo, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera and catch you guys back when I get finished with the shampoo and condition process. See y'all in a few. Alrighty, my friends, I'm back. My wide angle lens fell off, so this is what we got to work with. I have my scissors in my hand because yeah, I am gonna go ahead and cut off some more. I don't even know when I cut off the longer lock extensions. Like, no, it's been at least a month or so, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut off some more. I just want all of it you know, to be my hair. So I know I need to cut at least this much off, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and just like take one piece, cut it, and then just use that piece to measure, you know, everything else around. And freaking Buddha, he like tripping, barking for no reason. So this looks like, I don't know, maybe a little bit of my hair was probably in there, but this is about how much I'm gonna cut off, and that looks maybe like 1.5 inches. Yeah, some of my hair was up in there, but it is what it is. It's just hair, and I cut my hair so many times, it's gonna grow back. It's how I feel. So let me go ahead and get to that. Since Buddha is barking so much, I'm gonna go ahead and do one of the fast forward type things, turn on my personal music, and go ahead and knock this out. That was probably not how that kind of cut. Alright, I think these are all it. Into the other mirror. That's still some brat. Jada. So I was curious to see, you know, how long my locks were. So like I unraveled the end to see. So this is all me. This is all me. And I really like that the ends being left out. Probably put some oil and conditioner and just finger coil. and just make sure I take care of them as time goes by. I'm gonna do these to a few, and to be honest, I would love for my entire head to just have like the ends being left out. So yeah, this is all Brittany. This is all mine. Alrighty, so for the hair dye, I'm actually using hair paint wax. I have, this is not sponsored by these people. It's a splash of color. This one is, it don't say, but I have blue, like a purple color, and this is supposed to be like a rose gold. So these are the colors that I have, and I think I'm going to, I don't know if I'm gonna attempt like an ombre look. No, I'm not, because it's just gonna be too much work. I'm just gonna do individual ones and just like take the colors and just throw it all in. And they say that you're supposed to do it on wet hair, and mine is still moist, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get to work.
I got him popping in weeds and yeah. Shit like wow, hey, open it up, he like wow.
Yeah. Yeah. Shit is out there, we like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it. And I know you got it. You with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies, 'cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life. Here we go up. We're gonna rock this club till it blows up. Yeah, we're gonna live a good life. Yeah, we're gonna do it all tonight. We're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. I saw you when you passed me by, girl. Listen, baby, it ain't no lie, girl. And I can't deny that your sexy little booty caught my eye, girl. Listen, you don't have to be the shy, girl. I'm not a player, no, I'm not the guy, girl. Listen, yeah, I know that we could fly up in the sky. A place we could try, girl. Yeah, you know that I've been around this time, look up and down for some to play with. Yeah, I know I finally found you, girl. Look around you, girl. You got me.
pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, do your dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, do your dance, make it work, strike a pose. I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, do your dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, do your dance, make it work, strike a pose. Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, eyes and hers the bands, girl. She a 10 or better, tell her strike a pose. She don't switch positions and she plays the role. Hit up the salon, she gets her nails and toes. Hair done, neck, wrist, hands froze. She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, do your dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, do your dance, make it work, strike a pose. I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, do your dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, do your dance, make it work, strike a pose. Strike a pose, girl.
Okie dokie, my friends, this is the final look and I love it. I have my birthday hair in place for tomorrow. And let's see, one last thing. Oh, my website, whereisbrittany.squarespace.com. I am doing 10% off everything in the store with the code HBD34. Happy birthday 34. And then you'll get 10% off your entire order at checkout. So you can get you one of these shirts right here. So with that being said, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if there's something you like. Bye.